Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to remove Snapchat AI without Snapchat Plus. So first of all, you need to enter the Snapchat app, and what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead right here to your chat, okay? And as you can see right here, if we hold right here the My AI, and we went right here to the chat and notification settings, okay, you're going to just go ahead and hide the chats. Unfortunately, because you updated the app, My AI doesn't actually or won't leave the chat unless you hide it, okay? And if we went right here and hide it, let's say for example 24 hours, it will be hidden and you won't see it right away on your chats, okay? Or you can just go ahead to manage friendship, and you won't see even a button that allows you to block this this user. So unfortunately, because My AI is actually part of a Snapchat update, you can't actually delete it, but we'll let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.